How to manage access payment methods on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage access payment methods on Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Chrome and then click these 3 points here and then go down and click settings and then go down and you will find privacy and security. Click on it and then you will find here this one, access payment methods. If you want to turn it off, click on it, and as you see, access payment methods has been turned off. And if you want to turn it off on again, all you need to do is just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.